Hi, this is Clay. I just wanted to show you this amazing piece of software called Midiculous, which is what I'm using for my online tutorials. So if you subscribe to my Patreon channel, you can choose whether you want to download the video or you can use the Midiculous software, which you download from their website. It's a free player. You only have to pay if you want to create your own content. But to view the lessons, you don't need to pay anything. And it's a great piece of software because I can create lessons using video and MIDI, and it's all synchronized together. You can then download the lesson. You can speed it up, slow it down. Let me just talk you through it. So I'm going to show you. This is the lesson now. I'm playing it in, this is what it would look like in the Midiculous player. You can see this is the 2/5 lesson. So I'm demonstrating it on the keyboard. But then when I want to show you the actual chord shapes, you'll see them appear on the keyboard at the bottom there. So at the moment I'm talking you through what the lesson is, what we're doing, how it works. You can see my cursor is on the speed dial there. We can actually speed it up and slow it down. We can also change the view. You can see here, you can change the keyboard size, can switch to just video. You can have this section which will show you the stave and the chord names. This shows you the video, but you can also see the chord names as well if you want to. You can play it and pause it anytime you want. You can fast forward using you can see at the bottom, just above where it says punch in and punch out, you can see the little playhead moving along. So you can jump to any point in the lesson just by moving that playhead with your mouse cursor. Here we're switching between views again, just to show you the different views that we've got. Each one will show you kind of different information. So here you can see, okay, now I'm showing you on the keyboard, you can actually see the notes that I'm playing on the piano there, and the chord shapes. There we are, there's the 5 chord. I've switched views again now, so you can just see the tutorial video and the keyboard on the bottom that will show you the shapes. There's just the video again. Here you can see on the stave there now, it's showing you the notes, it's telling you what the note is. Obviously we can adjust the volume. This is great. We can see we've got a gap here. Now I've adjusted the pitch. So you might think, okay, well I want to slow that right down so I can see exactly what's happening. You can adjust the speed, sorry. It doesn't adjust the pitch, it just adjusts the speed. You can slow it right down. And the coolest thing is it slows the video and the MIDI right down as well. So it's really useful. And the other thing, which is amazing as well, is if you adjust the pitch, it will adjust the pitch on the keyboard. So if you wanted to know what this shape looks like in a different place, in a different key, you can just adjust the pitch and it will change it and show you on the keyboard what the notes are in a different key. And if you look at the other views, you'll also see, there we are, we can see this is what it looks like in a different key. There, it's changed it on the keyboard. So if you want to know what these, I'm doing these 2/5 progressions in the key of G. So it's an A minor 7 and a D7. You might think, okay, well I don't want an A minor 7 and a D7, I want a G minor 7 and a C7. So you just adjust the pitch down to 2 points, and it will sound and show you on the keyboard what those notes are. So it's a really great piece of software. Like I said, it's free to download. It's an American company, very reputable company. It's used a lot by gospel musicians, and I mean, if anybody knows what they're doing, it's gospel musicians. So it's a really great piece of software. It takes about 200 megabytes of disk space. Once you've got it, it's free to use, and then you can just download my lessons into your player whenever you want them. And they're called .lmv is the file name. If you don't want to download the player, then you can just see. I also do a recording of the player and the video, so you can just see the video. The only problem with that is you won't be able to change the pitch, and you'll be able to change the speed, but obviously it'll lack some functionality. That's it, really. I really recommend it. So, thanks for watching. See you soon.